Luckily, they
Food's done.
gave us some chicken nuggets.
Man, this is super good.
Also, whose is this?
Don't just stand here.
Cool.
Come on,
Yeah.
eat with us.
I will help you in some sort of way.
Come on.
Maybe even get you out of here.
Finally.
Wait, why is there a stove and a microwave and a fridge? Wait, on an airplane. So weird.
I wonder why there's why is there a fridge and a freezer, literally an oven and a microwave?